Hey guys, welcome to Last Call. Today's August 20th, 2009 on a Thursday. The week is almost over. I decided today to bring the chart a little bit closer on the S&P 500. Obviously, you'll see the trending rally that we've been going through for the last month. This is all through July. It's just non-stop. It is curving out a little bit above the 50, above the 200 day. Flattening out just a little bit and then pulling back, which was the last couple of days in the end of last week and the beginning of this week. We got, again, obviously another rally, but you'll see here at 1,012, I think we're going to get additional resistance, almost shaping out to be like a double top. I wouldn't call it exactly a double top, but, you know, it may form that way when you look at it on a 3-month chart. So we got to be careful, and then maybe at that point, if it does form a double top or something similar to it at around 1,012, we may get a little bit more of a violent pullback. So we got to keep our eyes open, keep our, I's dotted, T's crossed, you know what I mean? Make sure our stop orders are in place, just in case you jump into a stock, the market becomes violent, and you don't want to like lose a lot of profit or a lot of money, period. A lot of your asset value. So make sure your stop orders are in place. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at. I'm looking at 1,012 just to make sure we don't get any blowback from that point, and then from that point we'll see what happens. If it breaks through 1,012, then that changes the game around, and we'll see where we go from that point. But we got to take it one day at a time. Okay, guys. Let's bring the chart back to a 1 year, which usually that gives us a better picture of what's going on. And let's jump into our stocks. Our first stock is going to be ticker symbol BBD. Okay, and you'll see we have a nice trend line here. It has a formation almost like a inverted head and shoulders, but also an inverted double bottom. So I mean, you can take it as the way you look at it, but bottom line, it formed this formation. It bounced off the 50-day, pulled back a little bit, and then again here we are bouncing off the 50-day. It's only up 23 cents. I think you still got some more money to be made here. You're at 16. You should be able to pull into $23 without a problem. Okay, I would purchase this on any pullback. I see the stock trending nicely. Okay, our next stock is going to be ticker symbol CCL. And again, a nice trend above the 50, above the 200, pushed off the 50, and then we got a pullback. Probably some of these stocks pulled back when the market pulled back overall. As I told you, sectors and industries, when making up the general market, your stock is going to follow the general market. So I mean, that's usually what happens. Very few stocks usually trade opposite of the market, and if they do it, they do it for a short amount of time, not usually for a long time. But anyway, back to this particular stock on Carnival. It is cruise season, cruise ship season, so I think the stock is gonna have room to make some money. So we're at $30. 40 may be pushing in. I would look at $36, $38 on a profit level as a target, and then if you can get your 40 to make your $10 target, I think you have no problem here. Okay, I think this stock can rally. It definitely broke resistance at this point, and actually it pulled back a little bit. It's going to break resistance again. I think you may get some momentum after this point. Okay, our next stock is going to be ticker symbol FCX. Okay. And again, real smooth stock since November of last year. Nice trending upward channel. You see an inverted double bottom here. Pulled up, rallied, pulled back above the 50. I think you could definitely pick up $10 here from 60 to 25, where it's trading now to $75 without a problem. Okay, and our last stock is going to be ticker symbol JOYG. And this is also ready to bounce and break out right off the 50. You'll see a nice trending upward, inverted head and shoulders here, ready to push off the 38. You should be able to pick up $48 as a no-brainer. Okay, guys, enjoy the stocks. Let's go make some money. Thanks, guys.